2025 Nissan Ariya NISMO is where Japanese elegance meets electrified aggression. Building on Nissan's celebrated NISMO legacy, this all-electric SUV takes everything great about the Ariya E4ORCE and supercharges it with motorsport-inspired engineering. More power, sharper handling, and bold aero enhancements all combine to create a premium EV that's as thrilling to drive as it is to behold. Starting with performance, the Ariya NISMO uses the same 87 kWh battery as the standard E4ORCE variant, but that's where the similarities end. Thanks to extensive NISMO tuning, output jumps dramatically to 435 PS, 429 horsepower, while torque remains a stout 600 Nm. That's nearly 130 PS more than the standard version, propelling the Ariya NISMO from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.0 seconds. Need to overtake? 80 to 120 km per hour takes only 2.4 seconds. Instant torque meets immediate confidence. But the Ariya NISMO isn't just built for speed in a straight line. It's been re-engineered to corner with authority and grace. Nissan's E4ORCE all-wheel drive system has been fine-tuned with a 60/40 rear bias, dramatically enhancing agility and delivering a 12% improvement in line tracing performance. This is a car that sticks in corners and feels planted at high speeds. Suspension upgrades include new stabilizers, retuned spring rates, and revised dampers for flatter handling and more precise control. Steering is sharper too, offering more tactile feedback as speeds increase. To give drivers full access to its performance potential, the Ariya NISMO introduces a dedicated NISMO drive mode. This setting sharpens throttle response, adjusts steering effort, and modifies chassis behavior for maximum engagement. An upgraded braking system with iBooster tech and revised regenerative settings adds stopping power and improved pedal feel, while grippy new tires deliver confident road manners in all conditions. Visually, the Ariya NISMO turns heads with design enhancements that are both stylish and functional. New aerodynamic elements include a front splitter with canard vortex generators, wider bumpers, side skirts, and a rear ducktail spoiler. Combined, these reduce lift by 40% from CL 0.18 to just CL 0.11, improving both stability and efficiency. Exclusive 20-inch ENKEI wheels reduce unsprung mass and enhance cooling, while Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires provide high levels of grip. These wheels are made using ENKEI's proprietary MAT process, offering the strength of forged alloys with the design flexibility of cast rims. It's a perfect example of form and function working in harmony. Inside, the Ariya NISMO delivers sporty luxury with a uniquely Japanese flair. Suede-like seat materials with NISMO embroidered logos offer both support and comfort, while red stitching and digital NISMO graphics bring the cabin to life. A darkened wood texture across the dash adds sophistication, creating a premium interior that doesn't sacrifice usability or spaciousness. Whether you're attacking your favorite backroad or gliding silently through the city, the 2025 Ariya NISMO is built to elevate every moment behind the wheel. Available in gun gray, pearl black, and two-tone finishes like white pearl and stealth gray, it's as much a visual statement as it is a driving machine. In essence, the Ariya NISMO is the answer to anyone who ever thought electric cars couldn't be fun. With motorsport heritage infused into its DNA, this electrified crossover proves you don't need a roaring engine to get your adrenaline fix. It's a bold evolution in Nissan's performance journey, and the electric future has never looked more exciting.